Hello and welcome back to another cooking video. Today on Amelia's Imperfect Kitchen, we are going to be making oatmeal power balls. So for this recipe you're going to need old-fashioned oats, creamy peanut butter, honey, and chocolate chips. Are you ready to get started, sir? Yes, he is. Alright, let's do this. So, you're gonna need, I'm making 10 power balls. The recipe varies based on how many servings you want. So for mine, I'm gonna need a cup of oats. I'm gonna need half a cup of peanut butter, honey, and chocolate chips. The honey and the chocolate chips I'm going to just eyeball based on the texture, but those measurements for the oats and the peanut butter are measured out. So let's go ahead and combine all the ingredients. This is very easy, and it's just a yummy, healthy snack. I know healthy stuff sometimes is like, exactly what Tiger said. But this, you can make snacks healthy, and so this is one of those options again. It's very quick and easy, and most likely you'll have most of these ingredients in your pantry already. So let's get started. Even wash your hands thoroughly and then mix this with your hands as well. That'll make it a lot easier than using a spatula or a spoon. I'm almost done mixing. Don't be afraid to add more if you see that the consistency doesn't just seem as like sticky enough to hold together, because we're going to be squishing these into little balls. So add more peanut butter or honey. You can taste that this is safe to eat. You don't have to cook it. Alright, so the next step, you're going to want to line a baking sheet, and then we're going to roll these into little balls, and you're going to freeze them or cool them for an hour. Hands are nice and clean. My cat is yelling in the background. Tiger, hey sir. What's going on? What's disturbing you? I'm sorry. I know. Okay. Just making these two little balls. They should stick together easily, and mine aren't too like overly sticky either. I also have walnuts that I might add into another batch. Or what else could you do? Marshmallows, mini marshmallows, that would be yummy. Graham crackers. Now we're going to go ahead and set these in the fridge for at least an hour, and then after that they're ready to eat.